Right.
You know, give back to it. That's how you can become a homeowner.
Yeah.
And I just was not just pigeonhole you into this one idea that I need this 500K loan and need to live in a certain place to live this and everything's around me. No, you have to come into a community sometimes and help build it and develop it, because it's us living there that makes that community. It is about the people who live there, who takes pride in living there, that makes it better, that brings the business in. And I think a good example is what's happening in Pilsen, what's happening in Humboldt Park. These areas, we'll say 10, 20 years ago, probably be like, don't go there.
Oh, yeah.
Now look at it, it's the place to be, because the people who are there are taking pride in that community. They're saying, this is my home, I love it. I mean, and they say, come, and business look at this place and said, let's invest in it.
Yeah, because again, I'm still teetering over a 10,000 square feet house I used to have in Evanston, where my ex-wife now owns it. We had it calculated roughly at about 1.2 million right now. It's like, hey, wait a minute, she wants more money. It's like, look, just take care of my daughter, take this property and do whatever you got to do. We just go from there. But the bottom line right now is there's opportunities all over the place. And right now,
I want to break you there because I want to tell you specifically. I want to be specific about what you said, in that, for those of you, I mean, I'm going to speak to the camera, so for those of you who don't know, the red line, of course, I think most people know that the red line is going in.